This homemade cream will help get rid of wrinkles and makes you look younger. How amazing would it be if we tell you that you could get rid of wrinkles and look 10 years younger only with a 100% natural cream? In this video, we will guide you on how to make an awesome homemade natural cream that will help you remove wrinkles as well as restore your youth. It will make your skin smooth and no wrinkles. After only a few times applied, your skin will look 10 years younger. To make it, you just need to use some familiar ingredients in your kitchen. You just need to mix rice with milk and honey in the following way to have an anti-aging cream. Get rid of wrinkles effectively at home. First, wash a handful of rice with water and gently stir up the rice to let the dirt fall off. You don't need to wash too carefully or soak rice in water for too long to avoid losing the nutrients of rice. Then, you put rice into a saucepan. Add 250 ml of water. Now turn on the heat and heat up until the rice is evenly boiled. You can adjust the amount of water and rice to make enough for your face and ensure the rice is not too sticky. Then, take the boiled rice water into a bowl. Now, you just take 3 tablespoons of boiled rice water into another bowl to make the anti-wrinkles mask. The remaining boiled rice water you can store to use as a facial mask or lotion, as it is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are effective anti-wrinkles. In this bowl, add organic honey that gets rid of wrinkles, and it can retain the moisture of your skin and keep your skin hydrated. Only put 1 tablespoon of honey into the boiled rice water bowl is enough for each treatment. Finally, combine this mixture with unsweetened milk. Why not use sugar milk? Sugar molecules can bind to collagen in the skin, which causes a loss of firmness and the start of premature wrinkles forming. Whether absorbed into the skin or consuming daily meals, you shouldn't use excess sugar, which can affect the age of the skin. Add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened milk to the bowl. After adding unsweetened milk, use a spoon to mix all ingredients until you get a smooth mixture. Your facial cream, which fights against wrinkles and anti-aging, is ready. Apply it on your skin with a thin layer of the cream after washing your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Leave it to work for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you can rinse with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Repeat the process every day for a few weeks and aging marks, especially your wrinkles, will disappear. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.